What's going on YouTube? So today in this video, ESR hooked us up with a care package here. They actually sent out a screen protector as well as a lens protector and 5 cases here. If you guys want to check anything out, it'll be linked in the description down below. We will be doing a drop test in this video as well. Let's check it out. We're going to test out those camera lens protectors. Typically, I wouldn't try something like that out, but we're going to just test it out for myself on a daily usage to see if it's good on an iPhone 15 Pro. Good camera protection, clicky buttons. This is an amazing feeling case and it doesn't get dirty quickly, but clear case, you know how it typically goes, probably would yellow over time. You have halo lock in the back. There it is. That is a nice case. It snaps on really well. You got that MagSafe right there on the front. You got that color with that black. That's actually really clean. And you got that camera kickstand right here. Boom, just like that. 25 bucks. So here it is. We're gonna check this out. We have the Amorite. These are heavy, so that's real quality right there. You have the little bracket there to install it. Installation guide, we're not going to be using that. And then we have this actual mat here, so we don't even need to use our microfiber. That's crazy. Usually I always use the microfiber. It shows you quick installation for the camera lenses. Pretty simple. So pretty simple. You do have 4 wet wipes and 4 dry wipes, as well as dust sticker removals. And then you do have your lens protector right here. So these are easy drop and easy install. Let me go and show you one of these screen protectors. So this one has like corner guard protection, which is what that black ring is. You don't want to scratch the lenses, so go very, very gently. We're gonna go and dry this off as well as like get rid of some of the dust. And step 3, we're gonna use this dust removal sticker. I'm just gonna put it over the lenses here. Tear it away just like this. Remove the dust stickers, place it onto the lenses here, press down on each lens. So it's going to push down and we're good. So this is what it's going to look like. It actually makes the lenses look a little bit bigger. If you're not a fan of that, you can take it off. It doesn't matter. But for me, I'm going to test these out and I will show you if it's a improvement on quality or not. Before you apply it, double check that there's no dust. If there is dust, which I do see one right here, pick it up real quick. Otherwise, it's gonna make an air bubble and it'll permanently bother you. We're gonna place it. You can start from the top or the bottom. I'm gonna start from the bottom and then you just drop it into place. Run your finger down the middle. And this doesn't come with a squeegee, I just realized that. There we go, perfect. So just like that, perfect installation. It's not as easy as those easy screen installers, but this is gonna give you good corner protection when it comes to the screen. It does still fit with the cases, which is good. And it doesn't have any bump on it anymore. Looks like it's doing a really good job when it comes to detail, and even the macro lens is doing a really good job. I don't see a difference personally. If you see a difference, then that's what it is. Alright, so this is cinematic. It still is working. It doesn't have macro for cinematic, but that's what it looks like. Let's try out a photo here. iPhone 15 Pro drop test. We do have the ESR lenses on as well as the silicone case. So this is what it's looking like. This one does have camera guard here, which has a kickstand. Let's do a drop test by pocket height. 3, 2, 1. Looks like we do have some scratches here on the camera guard from chair height. You have it in your hand, you accidentally drop it. Looks good. We're good on that. Let's do it again. We're gonna do it in the front face now. You have your phone on the table. Perfectly fine. Let's do that again. Looks like the camera bump here came off. So you can see that there. That's the condition. Lens does have a small crack, but the lens underneath it is perfectly fine. But this definitely came off pretty quick. I don't know if you could pop it back in. That was an accidental drop test right there too, but now let's try it without the case. All right, so from pocket height, we're gonna do it from the table, screen face down. Perfectly fine. Let's try it from the camera side up now. Drop that. Kind of good. I mean, the phone itself does have a little bit of damage right here. The camera guard, it's this one lens that keeps getting damaged, but the rest of the lenses are fine. It's a little bit higher than usual. You can see the lens, it did crack right there. Any other lens? Because these ones actually work. It took a while before it actually broke. Now let's do the screen from pocket height. The screen did take some damage. You can see that there. Let's go ahead and check out the lens here. Looks like the lens is perfectly fine on the top one. Lens is perfectly fine on the second one, and lens is perfectly fine on the third one. So your camera is fully protected when it comes to these amazing little guards there. That's really good. So good job, ESR. When it comes to the screen, let's just drop it one more time. So you can see the condition on it. This definitely works. The camera guard did pop off, and after that, it wouldn't really do much as opposed to when it's on. It works pretty good. So good job on that, ESR. You did pretty good. Multiple people said to drop it on different surfaces, so let's go. There you go.